Hey, my name is Samuel Leeds. I'm a property investor and thank you so much for your support throughout this time in lockdown. It's been a really challenging, interesting time and many people have been saying to me, Samuel, is property investing over? Listen, I don't believe for a minute, there's not even a tiny little bit of me, there's not even a piece of my bone that thinks that property investing is over right now. I'm actually really, on a business level, I'm really excited about property at the moment, more than I've been in a long time. I've been doing more deals, I've been on the phone, I'm ridiculously excited. So I wanted to do an update just to answer all the questions that I've been having about really every single strategy. People have been saying, is buy, refurbish, refinance still possible? Is serviced accommodation still happening? Rent to rent, HMOs, lease option agreements, deal packaging, buy to let generally. Is it over? Like what's happening? And I wanted to address that because I know it's gonna happen more and more. You know why? Because in 2008, the amount of times in 2008 I heard people saying the days of property investing are over. I was even worried. I was just a kid. I just bought my first property and I'm thinking, is this all over? And as time went on and I began to learn more and I became more aware, I realized actually you don't need to listen to what the average person's saying. What you need to do is you just need to think, use your brain, listen to the rich people and look at history. So I want to share openly with you about what I think is going to happen to the market, what strategies are still good. I want to talk about me, like what I'm doing, what's going on my YouTube channel. I mean, people have been saying, Samuel, are you okay? Why are you not doing as many videos? What's happening? What's going on? So this is really just an update video to say, no, it's not all over. In fact, this is the beginning of a new, massive, exciting season because buy to let, no, it's not over. People that are saying, put your money in the bank and save your pennies are losers because they're printing money and they're not building more land. So I'd rather have my money in property than in the bank, even if there's going to be a small dip this year, 100%. I've been investing now for over a decade. Service accommodation's taking a little hit. It is, but it's going to pick back up. Of course it's taking a hit because booking.com aren't taking bookings right now. People can't go and stay at hotels. Of course it's taking a hit. But when lockdown finishes, what's going to happen? It's going to come up again. And all the people that gave their keys back to the landlords, suddenly there's going to be much less supply and the demand's going to come back. So now's the opportunity to seize the day. Buy, refurbish, refinance. Be careful, okay? Be careful. But buy, refurbish, refinance, I've just been speaking to a guy recently who's doing a buy, refurbish, refinance property, one of my students yesterday. In fact, another one just came in today, and they're getting the refinance on a commercial value. And a commercial value is based on rents, and rents aren't going down. You just got to be smart. Yes, bricks and mortar might drop a little bit, but how can you be smart? How can you be smart in this season? And I'll tell you something, if you're doing buy, refurbish, refinance, getting builders to go out for good prices is easier than ever. Getting bargain properties to begin with is easier than ever. And they're the only three figures you need to look at: purchase price, refurb cost, and value. So as long as you do it smart, you can really kill it with that strategy right now. Lease option agreements, I don't even want to get started. I'm gonna have to save that for other videos because that's the strategy right now. That's the thing. That's the thing. Deal packaging, people are saying, oh, you can't do it. People are doing it. I'm gonna bring them onto my YouTube channel. I can't officially do Winners Wednesday right now because Winners Wednesday is a whole experience where I have people down to my office, I meet them, we go out for dinner, and I can't do that right now. But what I'm gonna do instead, and also, I had Winners Wednesday students lined up for like months, and I didn't want to even do it on a Zoom call because if I did it on a Zoom call, number one, it kind of kills the whole good feeling that they have when they come to our office and we meet and everything. But secondly, I didn't want to share stories with you about, look, this person became financially free 3 months ago. And then you're thinking, yeah, but that was 3 months ago, what about now? I want to keep the content right now really up to date. So I'm probably going to see how the guys get on until after lockdown, until after this, and then I'll bring them back on Winners Wednesday. And during this epidemic at the moment, what I want to do is I just want to bring people on YouTube that are doing deals right now. And I spoke to 6 people just yesterday that are making money through deal packaging right now. One guy just said he's making more money in lockdown than he was in his 9-to-5 job. Like, the stories are fantastic and phenomenal. So you have a choice. As one of my subscribers, you have a choice. You can either be a doubter and you can be someone that thinks and be scared, but fear never helps anything. Or you can be creative and be an entrepreneur and say, there's a wind right now, but how can I set my sail? You can say, the economy is changing right now, but how can I create my own economy? So that's what I'm gonna be teaching over the next few weeks from YouTube. Albeit I might have to do some of the recording myself. The quality and the edits might not be as amazing as they have been because my team aren't working with me. I'm not at the office, I'm at my house. Someone said to me recently, what's it like living in a big, beautiful house during lockdown? Because I live in a nice house. I said, to be honest, you know what? It's great. I'm really blessed and fortunate to live in a good house, but I'm more fortunate to live with good people. And I know that there's some people right now going through a really tough time. There's people alone, not with their families. There's people that are worried about what's going to happen. And I think I just wanted to really say, as on a human level, person to person, if you're one of my followers, you're one of my subscribers, yeah, okay, I want you to get rich. Yeah, I want you to become financially free. Yeah, I want to teach you about property, but I also really genuinely care about you. And if you're in a rough time right now, drop me a message. I've got so much more free time at home. I'm responding to so many messages on Instagram. I'm literally just jumping, doing voice notes to people. So, you know, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, just know that I want you to do well. And also, you know what? I think that there's so much negativity in the media right now and on the news right now. And I just want to encourage you as well, just to stay positive, to stay focused. And also, if you're feeling bad about yourself right now, or you're feeling bad in this situation, just think, actually, you know what? I'm not going to think inwardly, I'm going to think outwardly. Pick up the phone and ring 3 people and tell them that you love them, who you care about. Like, just use this time to be kind, to spread positivity, to spread love. Property investing is not over. My YouTube channel, my strategies, this is just the beginning for many things. And I want to say the same for you. This is not the end of your dream to become financially free. This is just the beginning. So guys, thank you for supporting me through this time. Thank you for watching this video. If you're a subscriber, thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe right now, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button. Also, I want to know what you want to see. Like, what kind of videos do you want to see? What kind of content do you want to see? So let me know again in the comments. What do you want to see? What videos do you want me to do? I've got a lot of time. I'm going to be shooting the videos and posting them for your benefit to ultimately see your journey to financial freedom. And I can't wait to meet you one day. I can't wait to have you in Wednesday once this is all over. And I'm really rooting for you. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video, which will be tomorrow. God bless. Peace out.